Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to put BMW 3 Series back seats down, updated. Start by folding headrests, unhooking the rear seat release levers in the trunk or cabin, and pulling the strap or lever firmly to fold each seat back flat. Release any center armrest or child seat anchors first. Check for floor mats or cargo obstructions, and lower the front seats slightly if necessary to allow the rear seats to fold fully flat. I'll show how to find the release points and what to watch for when folding your BMW 3 Series rear seats. Look in the trunk for 2 pull straps or levers near the top of the rear seat backs, and check the cabin behind headrests for quick-release tabs. Disconnect or tuck seat belts out of the way and clear the cargo area. Knowing where each release is saves time and prevents damage. Quick break and a small favor. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation, the Oala water bottle is leak-proof, fits cup holders, and keeps you hydrated on long drives or garage sessions. I use mine every day for errands and car work. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab one if you like. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Follow these steps to fold the rear seats smoothly and safely. First, remove headrests or push them down fully, then pull the release strap or lever firmly to fold the seat back forward. Fold one side at a time for split seats and guide the seat into place to avoid catching the upholstery. Reposition seat belts and check that latches engage. Finally, stow any removed parts and test the folded surface for stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.